Hello, this is Dan Alford. Welcome to the ARC Specialties Weld of the Week. This week we're going to show you an example of when cracks are not only acceptable but actually desirable. What we've done is taken our pipe cladding technology, referred to as Tripulse, where we typically will have two gas tungsten arc torches applying a corrosion resistant alloy to the insides of pipes for sour service, and we've reconfigured them for abrasion resistance. In the oil sands, they actually transport the oil through pipelines, but the sand in this oil is so abrasive that you can destroy the pipelines in a matter of hours. To mitigate this problem, you use a gas metal arc welding process, you use a self-shielded chrome carbide wire, and apply a single layer inside these pipes. For sour service, you need two layers, so we position the two TIG torches fairly close together to give us the two-layer protection in a single pass. But for abrasion resistance, you only need a single layer. So we reconfigured this system with the torches several feet apart. So the purpose of the two torches now is to double our productivity. If you listen carefully to the audio, you'll hear a pinging noise. This is the weld cracking, but in hard facing, we call this checking. What you want is a lot of small checking or cracking to occur rather than a few large ones, and you don't want them to propagate into the base metal. So on hard materials, it's very common to see this weld cracking or checking. And here's the final weld. All the weld cracks or checks are readily visible, but they're small and they're limited to the weld deposit itself. This is an acceptable wear-resistant weld. We look forward to posting new episodes of the ARC Specialties Weld of the Week. If you're one of the thousands of operators of ARC Specialties equipment around the world and you have a weld that you would like to showcase, please contact us. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.